As human civilization thrives in the 21st century, technology is developing rapidly. The structure of the world's economy has undergone historic changes. We are facing infinite opportunities brought by the Fourth Industrial Revolution. Immetech was established in 2009 with the great mission of helping all to live a better life. After more than 10 years of hard work and exploration, Immetech has developed from a professional mold manufacturer into a company that integrates R&D, production, sales, and service. Providing a comprehensive one-stop manufacturing solution, we create reliable and valuable services for customers in engineering and project management, plastic, hardware, rapid prototyping, plastic mold manufacturing and injection molding, die casting mold manufacturing and production, secondary processing, mass production, assembly, and much more, proudly providing services to customers worldwide. Products are widely used in the automotive industry, medical devices, household appliances, artificial intelligence, consumer electronics, communication equipment, security, and energy-saving fields. We make products with craftsmanship and serve our customers with integrity. Immetech has a professional technology research and development headquarters, premium imported equipment, and high-grade injection molding and assembly lines. We have imported Fanuc DMG Mori high-speed 5-axis and 3-axis CNC machining centers, Makino Mitsubishi Mirror Spark EDM machines from Japan, Sodic slow-feeding wire cutting machines, Hexagon 3mm inspection machines, and other advanced equipment, plus a 10,000 class medical dust-free injection molding production workshop. Our new craftsmen, management, and engineering team all have 10 to 25 years of experience in the industry and are continuously innovating and refining technology and processes. The internationally minded business services team always focuses on customers' needs, gaining insight into market opportunities, and with a perfect quality control system and a global service layout, ensuring that all products and molds exceed customers' needs. We focus on transition digital processes, using advanced testing equipment to strictly control every manufacturing process. We adopt EROA full process control for mold manufacturing. We constantly push the boundaries to overcome technical challenges, to shorten the manufacturing cycle, and assist customers in quickly establishing a presence in the market. Immetech possesses unique advantages, including continuous innovation, teamwork, reliable quality, fast response, optimum cost control, on-time delivery, supply chain management, and other one-stop services. All are highly praised by customers across the globe. At Immetech, we are committed to upholding our core values of focus, innovation, integrity, and win-win. With more than 10 years of continuous progress, Immetech has independently researched and developed a number of domestic and foreign leading new technologies and products. We have obtained ISO 13485 Medical Device Quality Management System certification, IATF 16949 Automotive Industry Quality Management System certification, and have been certified as a National High-Tech Enterprise Qualification certification for many years. Immetech possesses a number of intellectual property rights, design invention patents, and appearance patents, and valued customers all over the world. For more than a decade, Immetech has not only provided quality products and services to brands in more than 30 countries, but also actively gives back to society. We value humanitarianism, carrying out various charity activities to support vulnerable groups within the community. With an eye on the future, all of the team at Immetech will provide selflessly, uphold the spirit of craftsmanship, continuously create value for customers, and strive to achieve the vision, serve products to the world, build molds to the globe.
产品共世界，模具共全球。我是汉艺人，我为